The Ditron digital caliper is a high-precision measuring tool with a measuring range of 0 to 150 millimeters and a resolution of 0.01 millimeters. It features a linear capacitive measuring system and an LCD display for easy reading. The caliper is designed for easy use with a locking screw and a knurled thumb wheel for fine-tuning. With high ingress protection against dust, splash, and oil, it is suitable for various industries including woodworking, jewelry, and DIY. Whether you're a machinery professional, engineer, or DIY enthusiast, this caliper is an ideal choice for precise measurements. Get it now on Amazon Prime Day with a 25% discount offer. The HARDTWERK Zen Japanese Pulsaw Foldable offers easy and compact storage compared to conventional Japanese saws. It combines Japanese tradition with German precision for masterfully precise cuts on all types of wood. The SK4 carbon steel saw blade with trapezoidal toothing ensures fine woodworking with minimal effort. The ergonomic rubber handle provides an ideal grip for pulling sawing. Japanese handsaws cut materials via pulling, resulting in cleaner cuts with less power required. Don't miss the opportunity to buy this tool now on Amazon Prime Day with a 31% discount offer. The RAK magnetic pickup tool is perfect for retrieving dropped items like nuts, bolts, nails, and screws. It has a strong magnetic base for hands-free use on metallic surfaces. This extendable and flexible tool is ideal for automotive repairs, camping, fishing, plumbing, and more. With a 22 inches extendable neck, it can maneuver in hard-to-reach places. The built-in LED lights provide visibility in dark spaces, making it essential for garages, crawl spaces, and attics. Grab this incredible tool with a jaw-dropping 50% discount and elevate your toolkit today. The POKIPO Power Tool Organizer Wall Mount. It transforms your messy workbench or wasted wall space into an efficient workplace. With additional side slots and hooks, you can organize even more items, ensuring a satisfying solution. The installation process for this drill stand wall mount bracket is simple. Just connect the gauge steel wire and plating with screws and hang it on the wall. Assembly only takes a few minutes to create the perfect heavy-duty floating tool holder. Buy now with a 40% discount. The Soccer Meter Saw Protractor featuring easy-to-read precision laser, engraved scales for direct angle reading on your miter saw. Its O-shaped design ensures smooth and precise measurements on inside and outside corners. Crafted from precision, CNC machined aluminum alloy, this protractor is lightweight and durable with great corrosion and wear resistance. Whether you're a professional or not, it's perfect for crown molding, trim work, carpentry, plumbing, metalworking, and more. Take advantage of a special offer and buy this tool now with a 30% discount. The Riva Trim Removal Tool Metal Pry Tool. A versatile stainless steel tool designed for easy removal of trim pieces. It features a flat, curved end for prying up the trim and a pointed end for removing clips. With a built-in ruler and measurement scale, it offers precise measurements. The tool is perfect for cars, trucks, appliances, furniture, and more. Made of durable stainless steel, it is safe for use on plastic trim pieces and does not damage clips. Easy to use and affordable, take advantage of the 50% discount on Amazon Prime Day and buy this tool now. The TTiiiii Handheld Stick Welder Kit, a portable and versatile 110-volt, 130-ampere IGBT inverter welder. It is perfect for home use and DIY projects, offering digital intelligent features like anti-stick, instant arc starting, and stable output voltage. The kit includes essential accessories like welding rods, a brush, ground wire, gloves, sunglasses, a cap, and a toolbox. With an affordable price range of $60 to $80, it's a great choice for beginners and experienced welders. While it may not be as powerful as some other welders, it offers convenience and value. Don't miss the 33% deal on this tool. The Dremel Drill Press Rotary Tool Workstation Stand. A 3-in-1 tool that functions as a drill press, rotary tool holder, and flex shaft tool stand. It features an articulating drill press for adjustable drilling angles and a tool holder for various rotary tool tasks. The integrated flex shaft holder allows for height adjustments between 16 and 29 inches. With onboard storage, cord management clips, and markings for accurate drilling, it offers convenience and precision. While it may be bulky and pricey, it's a worthwhile investment for those seeking versatility and quality. Take advantage of the 47% deal and buy this tool now. The DeWalt TStack Rolling Toolbox, a large and durable wheeled toolbox that is part of the DeWalt TStack modular storage system. It offers deep storage, a removable organizer tray, and compatibility with other TStack products. Made from durable plastic with rust-resistant latches, it features a comfortable handle and 7-inch wheels for easy transport. While it may be heavy when fully loaded and not as rugged as some alternatives, it provides ample storage space. Buy this tool now with a 61% discount. The katerk 6PC's 1/4-inch hex shank aluminum alloy screwdriver bits holder, an ideal solution for organizing and accessing your screwdriver bits. Made of lightweight and durable aluminum alloy, it is easy to carry. The quick change extension bar enables effortless bit switching, and the keychain allows convenient attachment. The upgraded version features a push-to-unlock mechanism for even easier bit changes. It also comes with a black carabiner for added convenience. With a 37% offer, this tool is a must-have for keeping your screwdriver bits organized. The RAK Contour Gauge, a durable plastic tool designed to replicate the shape of objects. With 182 thin teeth, it accurately conforms to the shape being copied. The locking mechanism secures the teeth in place for easy transfer to other surfaces. This versatile tool is perfect for projects like creating templates, cutting laminate, or duplicating moldings. Affordable and user-friendly, the RAK Contour Gauge is a valuable addition to any DIYer's toolkit. Don't miss the chance to buy this tool with a 50% discount on Amazon Prime Day. The Lao Electrician Pliers Needle Nose Pliers, a versatile tool for various tasks such as wire cutting, stripping, crimping, and bending. The long, thin nose allows access to tight spaces and gripping small objects. Made of high-quality steel, they are durable and come with a comfortable ergonomic grip. While the wire stripper may require some practice, these pliers offer good value for the price. Additional features include a 7-in-1 design, hardened steel construction, and a limited lifetime warranty. Seize the opportunity to purchase this tool now with a 29% discount. The RIZOM 12-piece screw extractor set offers a comprehensive solution for removing broken or damaged screws. With 12 extractors designed to fit specific sizes and types of screws, it is a versatile tool set. Made of high-quality steel and featuring a left-handed spiral design, the extractors provide a strong grip for effective extraction. The set is durable, affordable, and easy to use. While some users may find the extractors challenging to use, overall they offer excellent value. Don't miss the opportunity to buy this tool with a 29% discount on Amazon Prime Day. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.